Hi, I'm Lance Bear from Nash Finch Company. We're here today at Neighbors Incorporated, and we're helping in the food bank. About a month ago we had a mail drive for food donations, and so we're sorting those donations out and stocking the shelves for the people in the community. This is our second year that Nash Finch has done this, and it's just exciting to get all these different groups of folks together from our company. We have about 10 different departments right here, from accounting to merchandising to IT to training departments, and these people don't normally work together in the office, and it gives them a chance to just talk with each other as they're working, kind of get an idea of what their personal lives are about, and just share in the joy of helping other people.
To have all that extra help when we have 22 people here, it's been, amazing. They've moved about, well, said and done, when we're done here in about another 35 minutes, I'd say anywhere from 10 to 15,000 pounds of food, which normally, we're moving it regularly, but normally that's going to take us at least a week and a half, and they're doing it in a 6-hour period, so it's been amazing. Super, super grateful for Nash Finch coming out today. Just incredible.